Okay, we're live again from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, where we're looking at trailers. We're testing the Facebook Live connection. This is my GoPro Hero 8. We're gonna go get a tour of a 2022 Quailridge 39ASL luxury park model. She's a very beautiful trailer, and it's over here at the corner in Sublet, down by the gas station. Check out them windows. This is unit number 12329. I'm liking my Facebook Live feed so far. So let's go on in. We haven't had any customers yet today, but that's okay. I'll show you around. Since the last time I was in it, we added a sound bar and a TV to go along with the fireplace. We also have a Blu-ray DVD player. Sectional sofa. It's a sleeper. There's definitely a sleeper on this side. You got the surround sound built in with the sound bar. You got a nice dishwasher here. Check this out. No, it's a Frigidaire pot scrubber. There you go. Throw all your dirty dishes in there and let them do the dishes. You got a big farmer sink, stainless steel faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Check out this microwave. You want to see something cool. Convection microwave, and the buttons are in the door. We're not going to cook. Let's turn on the light. There you go. Check out this stove. This is better than the stove I got at home. 5-burner range. Okay, let's check out the refrigerator. Samsung 10-year warranty. It's a bottom freezer. It has 2 drawers with a built-in ice maker. Fancy schmancy. Okay, here's the double door fridge. Everything right in your face, right where you need it. Nice big front room. I plan on selling this today, so come on by and see it. Check out this backsplash. Pretty cool backsplash. Pantry. Lots of closets. Lots of shelving. Drawers. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Lots of storage under the sink. Stools. Okay, here's what everybody asked about. There is washer dryer hookup. Yep, you can use a stackable washer dryer in here if you so desire. Heading on into the bedroom. This has a queen bed. It's got a nice pillow top mattress, as you can see. Got side tables with USB plugs. Plug your smartphone, just what you need. Take your phone to bed with you. Got a great big wardrobe. Lots of drawers and doors. This is a lift bed. It lifts up for storage underneath. Here's the more drawers. More drawers. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, the flooring. Look at the flooring. It's PVC flooring throughout the entire main floor. There's carpet in the stairs in the loft only. So here we go into the bathroom. check this out. Nice big bathroom. You have your, that's a raised stool that's higher than your average stool. I don't know that they call it a handicap stool, but that's just what's in it. You have a low threshold. I don't know if you can see that, but it's shower doors, shower only, with the low threshold. Fiberglass one-piece tub surround. It's a front line tub surround. Window in the bathroom. You got your nice little vanity here. Pretty cool vanity. You got storage under the sink. You also have 3 drawers in here. Well, the last part we haven't seen yet would be the loft. So let's go check out the loft. Head up the stairs. You've got an auxiliary air conditioner to keep your guests cool. This is a half loft. It's got room for the kids to hang out, or probably enough room for 2 or 3 mattresses up there if you want to sleep, some extra sleeping. That's the entertainment center with the cable TV hookup. And there's a small closet up there for the guests. Well, that pretty well sums it up. MSRP on this trailer is $79,000. Mini blinds on every window. Let's take a look around outside, and then I'll end this video. It has a tall ceiling. It's the extended dormer. The loft is about 4 foot tall. It's what's called a flat floor loft. There is no step down into the master bedroom. A lot of people don't like the step down. At any rate, this doesn't have one. My only trailer right now. Inventory has been very slow to arrive this year. And generally speaking, whenever it gets here, it was already sold. So here's what the outside looks like. It's built by Forest River. There you have it. Come on down to Kelly Hicks RV Sales and Sublet. We're at the corner of Inlet Road and US Route 52. We got the flags flying. Might have a little bit of a garage sale if you want to look at some junk. Come see us. I'm gonna head back in the office and see about putting this on YouTube. Call us at 815-849-9089. Get back to my internet station here. There you go. The end of the Kelly Hicks live stream video. 8.5 minutes, I see.